Alright guys, so I'm going to attempt to clean the wheels, and have you guys seen in the introduction of this this car and everything, you can see like these badly pitted areas, and just with washing and scrubbing this does not work. Like it does not come out. So I think this will come out, but yeah, as far as like those specs right there, that's like embedded. So I'm going to be using a product by Meguiar's, and let's see if it works. Alright guys, so what I have here is Meguiar's Hot Rims Wheels and Tire Cleaner, and yeah, let's just see if this stuff works. It has like this new type of like sprayer where you have to push right here and then spin it, and then it actually allows you to move it, and it's like child proof, so that's kind of cool. So just in case they cannot move it to spray, nothing would come out unless you push it, then it sprays. Also, it's got like this little agitator thing at the tip, so when you go, it sprays on like a foam, so it could dwell for a little while. And then I'm guessing you leave it on for a little bit, you know, just to let the chemical work, and then you scrub it off. I'm just going to be using a microfiber and some water to get off the residue. And yeah, let's see if this stuff works. Actually, you could kind of see it already melting it. But yeah, so I'm going to spray it over the whole thing, and let's see if I can get rid of these hard spots right here. Just going to apply it now. Let's see if it takes stuff off. The best way would actually be to take off the wheels so you can get the barrels, but I'm not going to do that. And you could already see it coming off right there. That looks freaking great. Alright, so gonna get right here. Yep, and it comes right off. And as you can see, it's coming right off perfect. Alright guys, so just gonna continue it. So yeah, so it actually looks like it is working pretty good. Alright guys, so now I'm going to spray it with water. And as you can see, it's basically all coming off. Alright guys, so as you can see, amazing results. It even cleaned up the caliper too, so that is pretty cool. Very impressive stuff. And I tried multiple stuff too to try and take off those dots and everything that you've seen, and this stuff took it off right here. Meguiar's Hot Rims Wheel and Tire Cleaner, and it says specifically formulated for OEM coated wheels, powers through brake dust, grime on wheels and tires. So this is a 24 fluid ounces, and this stuff is about $6.99. And look how much I used so far out of the whole bottle. So this could easily do about 8 wheels, and I actually went a little bit overboard too, so because I kept having to like flush off the wheels with water. So less is definitely more when it comes to this product. So this is a 10 out of 10 right here, guys. Alright guys, so that's going to be a short little video of this stuff. If you want to pick it up at AutoZone or any Napa O'Reilly. I'm pretty sure we'll have it. Prices may vary, I'm pretty sure, but I got this for $6.99 off the shelf, so that's not bad.